Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can put a saddle on your horse or to saddle a horse. So, first of all, please make sure that you are using any kind of Minecraft that's got a horse on it and a saddle in it. And then just open your word. For me, I'm using the 1.19.2 version, so it will still work for you if you have any other version. So let's go ahead and open our single player word, just like so. And just like that, word is loading. Just let me drink milk, just like so. Okay, so first of all, you can't really like get a horse and put a saddle at the top of him. You can't really do it because it's already not yours. So how you can make him your horse is there is like multiple ways. The first one, which is spamming it until he loves you by force, which is the longest one, or I mean it depends on your luck basically, if he loves you or not. It really doesn't like depend on any mathematics stuff, it only depends on your luck. Anyway, this horse didn't like me, so I have to give him something to make him like me. Let's give him some food. A cart will work. A cart, he doesn't like carrots. Okay, potatoes, he doesn't like potatoes. Okay, let's give him some wheat. No, let's keep feeding him. Let's keep feeding him, feeding him, like that. And then let's go on the top of him. As you can see, now he likes me. So what you can do now is just right click on him and you will be able to see his inventory. Let's get a saddle, where you can find the saddle in Minecraft. Basically you can get them in spawners, in temples, or like by trading with the villagers. So after doing so, you can just put it right onto him, or open his inventory and then put it on him, and just like that you can start riding your horse and doing whatever you like with them. So that was today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.